everybody, Max Rich here, and I'm here today to talk to you about sort of filling in space in between chords and in between chord changes. It's a question I get asked a lot by students. Sort of like, I could play the chords to the song and I can strum along and maybe I can strum and sing at the same time and all the rest of it, but I feel like something's missing. I want there to have some filler in between, and that's what we're going to talk about today. How to sort of navigate throwing or mixing like licks in with chord strums, because a lot of players can strum real well and a lot of players can play licks, but combining them often presents a challenge. Where do I do it? What scale do I use? How do I go from a C chord to an F chord and make it sound good with some lick in between? And so I'm going to give you a couple of examples today in a couple different keys, one sort of based around the blues and another one based around what I just played in like sort of a C major open chord position type chord progression. And the thing that I want you to focus on is that whether you're beginning, advanced, whatever level you're at, the thing that I want you to sort of take away from this lesson is not necessarily this is the lick that you play, but rather this is how you approach this subject. You know, I'm going to give you a couple examples of licks, but I don't want you to say, okay, so I have to play this lick every time I switch from a C to an A minor chord. You know, that's not the right approach. The right approach is analyze the scale that we're using and how to navigate that scale comfortably and create something new. Maybe not every time you play a lick or switch a chord, but enough so that you and your own creativity are satisfied. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So filling space between chords coming up right now.